Welcome to St. Joseph's Academy online class. A very good morning and a happy new year to all of you. Children, today on the beginning of this new year, first I will give you the division of time. So let's recall what we have learned in the chapter 15, time of class 3rd. So let's start it. What time is it? Children, I taught you how to see an analog clock. Now there are some clocks made here and you can see the time here. Now you have to tell what time is it. Can you tell me? Both in digital form and also in words. So let's try. So first clock you can see here. Here the hour hand is on between 9 and 10, just near to the 10 you can say, and the minute hand is on 8. So what is the time? So you will write first, if you're writing in digital form, first you will write the hour time, that is 9. It is not exactly 10, it is just near to 10. So actually time is 9. And then 8, minute hand is at 8, so 8 fives are 40. So the time is 9:40. In words, you will say 20 minutes to 10 because 20 minutes are left to take the time of 10. Then in the next clock, the hour hand is at 5 and the minute hand is at 2. So the time is 5:10, or you can say in words 10 minutes past 5. In third clock, the hour hand is between 3 and 4 and the minute hand is at 6. So the time is 3:30. Why 3:30? Because actual time is 3 hour and minute hand is at 6. So 6 5s are 30. So 3:30. And in words you can say 3:30. Then in the fourth hand, the hour hand is at between 5 and 6 and the minute hand is at 7. So the time is 5:35. And in words you can say 25 minutes to 6. The next one, it is 6:05 or 5 minutes past 6. In the last clock, you can see the hour hand is at 11 and the minute hand is at 3. So the time is 11:15, or you can say 11:15. Now children, try to solve these clock. What is the time here? Now you can see the first one, the hour hand is at 4 and the minute hand is at 2. So what is the time? It is 4:10. You will write the hour time at first and then minute time. So 2 5s are 10. Say the table of 5 here. So 4:10. In words you will write 10 minutes past 4. In the next one, the hour hand is at between 12 and 1. So the hour time you will write 12 and minute hand is at 7. So 5 7s are 35. So the time is 12:35. In words you will say 25 minutes to 1. Then the next one, children, the hour hand is just near to 5. But the time is not 5, children. At hour time you will write 4. And minute hand is at 9. So 9 5s are 45. So what is the time? 4:45. In words you will say 4:45. That means 15 minutes are left to take place 5. Now the next one is the time 8:05. That means 5 minutes past 8. In the next one, here you can see the hour hand is just near to 3, but it is not actually 3. So the time is 2. At hour hand you will write 2, and in minute time you will write 9 5s are 45. That is 2:45. Again, that means in words you will write 2:45. That means 15 minutes are left to take place 3. And in the last clock you can see both the minute hand and hour hand is at 12. The time is 12 o'clock. So in this way, children, you can say the time or write the time. Just see where the minute hand is at. There you have to read out the table of 5 and see where is the hour hand. So in this way, you can easily identify what is the actual time. Now children, fill in these blanks to make the time conversion expression correct. So first one is done as an example for you. You can easily write it so that you can do easily conversion also with the help of this. So for 1 month is equal to 30 days. So how many days 1 week has? That is 7 days. 1 year has how many days? That is 365 days. 1 hour has how many minutes? That is 60 minutes. Half hour. So do the half of hour, that is in, you have to write in minutes. So 1 hour has 60 minutes. So do the half of this, it will be 30. Then 1/4 hour, that is you have to convert into minutes. So 1/4 means 1/4 hour, that is means 60 minutes. So you have to do the 1/4, that is quarter. So 15 minutes. 1 day has 24 hours. 1 minute has how many seconds? 60 seconds. Half day means that is one day has 24 hours. Okay. So you have to tell how many hours in the half day. So 24's half is 12. Then 1 month has how many weeks, children? If you see, there will be 4 weeks. And in 1 year, there are 52 weeks. Okay, children, on the basis of conversion of time, now you will do this sums. So first question is 4 months, 3 days, 2 days. Now this here, you have to change into days. So 4 months, this you will change. 1 month has 30 days. Now month is bigger than days. So what you will do, as I told you earlier, that whenever you will change bigger unit to smaller unit, you will multiply. So 1 month has 30 days, so 4 months will be having 4 into 30. That is 120 days. And 3 days is already in days, so no need to change anything there. That you will add it. So 120 days plus 3 days will be 123 days. Now B part question, 2 hours 16 minutes. This you will change into minutes. Now 1 hour has 60 minutes. Now hours is bigger than minutes, so multiply it. 2 hours into 60, it will be 120 minutes. And 16 minutes is already minutes, that you will add it with 120 minutes. And you will get 136 minutes. Now C part question, 6 days to minutes. Okay children, now you have to change into minutes. So 1 day has 24 hours. So 6 days will be having 6 into 24. That is 144 hours. First you will change days into hours and then hours into minutes. Now change this 144 hours into minutes. That will be what? 144 multiplied by 60, because 1 hour has 60 minutes. So when you will multiply, you will get 8640 minutes. Now we will solve the word problems. First question, Mr. Rao started eating his lunch at 12:45 p.m. He finished lunch at 1 p.m. How much time has passed? Children, you have to find out the difference. See, Mr. Rao started eating his lunch at 12:45 p.m. And then he finished at 1 p.m. So what is the difference? How much time did he took for this? So the time is 15 minutes. Just draw the clock and see the difference. You will find 15 minutes difference. So he took 15 minutes to have his lunch. Now question 2. Mohan started covering his book at 8:40 a.m. and he finished covering at 8:45 a.m. How much time has passed? Now you can draw the clock also, children, and see what is the difference here. So it took 5 minutes. You can see 40 to 45. Only change in the minute time is 5 minutes. So 5 minutes he took to cover his book. Now, children, question number 3. My grandma knitted a scarf for me in 2 weeks. How many days did it take her? Children, this question is based on conversion of time. Now, grandma took 2 weeks to make a scarf. Okay, so here the question is asking how many days. So you have to change weeks into days. Now, weeks is bigger than days. So what you will do, as I told you earlier also this formula, that whenever you will change bigger unit to smaller unit, you will multiply. So here you will also multiply. Grandma knitted a scarf. She took 2 weeks for that. You have to change into days. So 1 week has 7 days. So 2 weeks will be 14 days. So she took 14 days to knit a scarf. The next question 4. Rohan rode a hot air balloon across the ocean. He was on the balloon for 3 days. How many hours was he on the balloon? Now you have to tell in hours. Days, 3 days are given. That for 3 days he was on a hot air balloon across the ocean. But now you have to tell how many hours he was there. So convert days into hours. So your 3 days will be converted into hours. So 1 day has 24 hours. So 3 days, as days is bigger than hours, you will multiply 3 into 24. That is 72 hours he was on the balloon. Then question 5. Megha read a novel in 3 weeks, 2 days. How many hours did she spend reading the book? Now children, here she read a novel in 3 weeks, 2 days. But you have to tell in hours that how many hours she spent in reading the book. So what you will do first, you will change 3 weeks, 2 days. Megha read a book 3 weeks, 2 days. Okay. Then 1 week has 7 days. 3 weeks will be 3 into 7. That is 21 days. Now already there is days there. 2 days extra is given there. That you will add it. So 23 days, total 23 days she read the book. Now these days you will convert into hours. So 1 hour, 1 day has 24 hours. So 23 days it will be 23 multiplied by 24. That will be 552 hours. So she took 552 hours to read a novel. Okay. First you will change weeks into days and days into hours. In this way you will solve the word problem, children. Children, with this, I end up this chapter. I hope you have understood nicely. Children, whenever you will practice how to make the clock, mind it, you have to first make 4 division, 12, then 6, then 3, then 9. Make this position, then make the rest of the part. Make the hands of clock very clearly, minute hand and hour hand very clearly. It should not be like that both the hands are equal. That should not be done. Also do all the conversion practice, and on the basis of conversion also word problems can come. So do all the kind of practice, make the clocks very neatly and clearly, and with this I say thank you and happy new year once again. Thank you.